What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you the best cosmetic upgrade you need to do on your car. I'm Lucas and this is Astro. So what upgrade am I talking about? I'm talking about an amber delete. And if you don't know what that is, look right here. So in the shop right now, we have this 2020 Honda CRV. And if we look at the side of the headlight, you'll see we have this orange area, okay? This marker light. It's not a turn signal. It just provides some reflection, but it looks very ugly, right? It clashes, doesn't go with anything. So we're gonna black this out. We're gonna cover this up with some tint and you'll see what a difference it makes, how it cleans up the front end. Most cars do have this amber, this marker light on the side, but not every car does. We also have this Mercedes in the shop and you'll see there's no amber in the headlight. So if I wanted to clean up this front end, I would just be tinting that marker light down there, getting rid of that orange. This is a project that you guys can do at home. It's very easy. You only need three things. First thing is a blade to cut the vinyl. You need some knifeless tape, so you're not cutting on the actual headlight. You don't want to scratch it. And you need this, the tint. This is Vivid Dark Smoke. The reason I'm going with Vivid is because it's dry apply. So you don't need to have any water bottles or spray bottles with wet solution, anything. This just, you put it on, no mess, very easy. There's two ways to do this. You can draw the line here and black out all of this section, right? That's one way. Or you can just go directly over the amber. So personally, I'm just going to go directly above the amber, this little triangle shape, and I can make that shape with the knifeless tape, you'll see. But if you don't feel like drawing out or trying to get that shape perfect, you can just go all the way up and black out all of that. I'm not sure what's going to look better. We'll see. If I don't like the look of this, then we'll probably do the whole thing. But kind of just trial and error at first. So let's clean this up and lay the knifeless tape. So our knifeless tape is down, and I tried to go, you can't really see it because it's covered, but there's a little chrome trim or chrome border around this amber, and I tried to lay the knifeless tape on that to make sure the amber is completely covered. So if we step back, this will basically be where that green tape is, the edge of the tint. This edge here, I'm just going to cut with a blade because I can get the blade in there. I don't need to run knifeless tape on the paint. But that's basically going to be the shape. So it does extend past the amber because this is the lens right here too. This is the headlight. But once that's covered, it'll all look the same. So let's cut our tint and then lay it down and see how it looks. This is the tint we're going to use. As you can see, it's all scratched up. But the reason this tint is good is because there's a plastic cover. All the scratches you see are on the plastic cover, or the plastic cap is what it's called. And once that's peeled off, the tint will look brand new. So that's the finished product, guys. I'm extremely happy with it. I'm really happy we just did the amber part instead of doing all of this area. It looks really clean like that. And like I said, you can still see the reflector through it. It's not completely gone. This isn't just black vinyl. It is tint, but it looks so much cleaner. If we step back, look at that. Look at that. That is very sharp. I'll throw up a before and after. And I also did it on every car I've owned. So I had a Genesis that went from this to this. I had a truck, went from this to this. But on those, I actually used black vinyl. I went fully crazy, didn't even use tint. But the tint looks really good too. Look at that. I'm really, really happy with that. So that's it. I mean, to me, that is the best cosmetic upgrade you can do for your vehicle. It is by far the best bang for your buck. Very cheap, like 20 bucks for the vinyl. It takes 2 seconds to do, no mess, and it makes such a difference. It cleans up the front end immensely. If there's another cosmetic upgrade that you think is a better bang for your buck, let me know. I'll try it out. Maybe you'll change my mind, but I don't know. I'm pretty stuck on this one. Thanks for watching, guys.